Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Mama's Kitchen. Today we are going to whip up a tasty air fryer snack. We're going to be air frying up some pork belly and making some pork belly chips, okay? So I picked these up from Costco yesterday. Y'all can see that. They're already sliced, so all I have to do is cut them into squares, season them with some black pepper, garlic and onion powder, a little sea salt, and smoked paprika. I'm also going to spray them because I want them to come out really crispy and tasty. And I'm going to cook them on 380. Go for about 15 minutes, but I'm going to flip them every 5 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. All right, let me get this all prepped and ready to fry up. Be right back. Okay, y'all, had to get them cut. Well, rinse them off first. Paper towel drying. Cut them all up. Some of them chips, some of them might be bites, but you know, we gonna make it do what it do. Now I'm gonna get the seasoning. I'm not really measuring. I'm just gonna shake. Give it a good shake on both sides. Okay, of all my ingredients. I do intend on seasoning on both sides, y'all. You know why? Because we want flavor on both sides, right? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. All right. All right, salt the pepper to taste now. All right, let me get the crack in this pepper. Load them up. Be right back. Okay, y'all, got as many in here as I could. And I did preheat my air fryer for about 2 minutes. And I also just, again, lightly sprayed it. This kind of meat doesn't really call for spray. But again, I just wanted to make sure they came out crispy, okay? And this is going to be some good drippings to cook with later. So don't discard your oil if you do this recipe. All right, let's get it started. All right, we're going to go let's just say 390. And go. How many minutes? 15? Okay, that's good. Let's do that. All right. We'll flip them in about 5. See you in a minute. Okay, y'all, let's take a peek at them. Been going on for about 6 minutes. Oh, okay. Maybe I don't need to flip this yet. All right, I'll come back in a couple more minutes. Degrees. I turned it up to 400 degrees. All right. So let me get these flipped over, and then we'll finish them off. Okay, y'all, time's up. Let's see what we're working with. Ooh, nice sizzle. All right, let me get them plated up, and we'll be right back to do our taste test, guys. Smells wonderful. Okay, guys, here we go with our finished product. And with a little side of Sweet Baby Ray's, sweet and spicy, just in case. I mean, I would probably prefer them plain, but you know, just in case. All right, so let me grab one. Ooh, okay. See, crispy, but still juicy. That's what we want. All right, here goes. Oh. Oh, that's so hot. Oh my goodness, it tastes like mini pork chop bites. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Okay, yeah, let me try barbecue sauce now. Hold on. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, y'all. Well, that is so rude. That's it, y'all. Pork belly chips. Or bites. We're going to change them to bites. Quick and easy. In the air fryer in Big Mama's Kitchen. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.